some water and 2 jars. Let's get started. First, I'll take a piece of tape and the string. I'll put the tape at the bottom of the string and stick it at the bottom of one jar. I'll stick it nicely so it won't come out. I'm done. Now I'll take some water and food coloring and I'll pour some food coloring into the spoon and mix it with the water. I have mixed this color with the water. Now I'll pour it into the other jar which is having the string. Nicely. Now I'll take the string here and put it into other jar. Now I'll lift the first jar and gently pour the water along with the string. Look, can you see the orange color? It's the color of water. The water is passing through. Do you know how this happened? The adhesive and cohesive forces of water prevents the water dripping straight down into another cup. That's why the water flowed through the string into another cup. Thank you.